composite function. If we have more than two sets, say A, B, C, there are three sets, then we come across a composite function. Okay? So let f from A to B and g another function from B to C. F is a function from A to B, function from A to B. G is another function from B to C. Then the composition of f and g is denoted like this, GOF. Composition of f and g is denoted like this and is defined as GOF from A to C. GOF from A to C. That is composition of f and g, we read it as composition of f and g is given by composition of f and g can be written as g of f of x, but f of x is equal to y, but g of y is equal to z, so this is composition of f and g, GOF of the function, GOF of x, where x belongs to the set A and z belongs to set C. So this means GOF of x is equal to z. GOF of x is equal to z. Example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. C is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12. So, if f from A to B and g from B to C defined by, see the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 5, 6, 7, 8 and C 9, 10, 11, 12. F of 1 equals 6, f of 2 equals 7, even f of 3, f of 4 is equal to 8. G of 5 is equal to 10, G of 6 is also 10, G of 7 and G of 8 are 11. Then GOF from A to C is a function defined by GOF of 1, composition of f and g can be written as g of f of 1. Look at f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 6. So g of 6 is 10. Look at that. Composition of f and g. So this can be written as g of f of 2. We have f of 2 as 7. So g of 7 as 11. Then GOF of 3 can be written as g of f of 3. We have f of 3 is equal to 7 again. So g of 7 is 11 only. So GOF of 4 equals g of f of 4. F of 4 is defined as 8. So g of 8, which is again 11. So this is how composition of functions is defined. Some important results on composition of functions. Okay. These are very important results even for MCQs also. The first one, in worked example, show that if f from A to B and g from B to C are 1, 1 function, f is 1, 1 function, g is also a 1, 1 function, then composition of f and g, GOF from A to C is also 1, 1. Annual 2015 ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಗಿವನ್ f from A to B and g from B to C are 1, 1 functions. F is 1, 1 means if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 equals x2. G is 1, 1 means g of x1 equals g of x2 implies x1 equals x2. Agree? Now consider GOF of x1 is equal to GOF of x2. This can be written as g of f of x1 and this is g of f of x2. As g is 1, 1 function, so this is x, g of x1 is equal to g of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. I mean f of x1 equals f of x2 since g is 1 1. Since f is also 1 1, f of x1 equals f of x2 implies what? x1 is equal to x2. So that means gaf of x1 is equal to gaf of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, gaf from A to C is also 1 1 function. Next, the second result, show that if f from A to B and g from B to C are onto, then gaf from A to C is also onto. This is appeared in the supplementary 2017 under 2 mark section. Solution: given f from A to B and g from B to C are onto functions. F is onto means what? For every y belongs to the set B, there exists x belongs to set A such that f of x is equal to y. F is 1 1 means, f is onto means. G is onto means for all z belongs to the set C, there exists y belongs to set B. Z belongs to set C, codomain. There exists y belongs to the domain B such that g of y is equal to z since g is onto. So this is codomain, whereas this is domain. Similarly, for all y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A such that f of x is equal to y. That is onto function since f is onto function. Now consider gaf of x can be written as g of f of x. But what is f of x actually? See, f of x is y, g of y. But what is g of y actually? Z. Gaf of x is equal to z means gaf from A to C is also onto. Okay, third one, a worked example. If f from x to y, g from y to z and h from z to s are 3 functions, then composition of gaf and h is equal to composition of f and hog are equal. That means composition of function is associative. Proof: consider the left hand side, that is composition of gaf and h of x is equal to h of gaf of x. Gaf of x can be written as g of f of x. That means h of g of f of x. Say someone, for all x belongs to the set capital X. And consider the right hand side, composition of f and hog of x is equal to hog of f of x. This is nothing but h of g of f of x. Say some 2, for all x belongs to the set capital X. From 1 and 2, since RHS are equal, LHS can be equated. That is, composition of this is equal to composition of f and hog. Hence, composition of function is associative. So we have proved 3 results. Some more results you need to remember for MCQs. Only result statements, no proof. Fourth one, the composition of function is not commutative. That is, composition of g and f not equal to composition of f and g. Fog is not equal to gaf, whereas it is associative. We have proved in the result number 3. The fifth one, the composition of 2 bijective functions is again bijective. Composition of 2 bijective function is again bijective. Sixth result, let f from a to b, then composition of the function f with an identity function, composition of identity function on the set A, this is read as identity function on the set A with f is equal to composition of f and identity function on the set B is always equal to f only. That means composition of any function with identity function is the function itself. If I take instead of f g composition of identity function on the set A with g means it is g only. Okay. So then seventh one, let f from a to b and g from b to a be two functions such that composition of f and g is from a to a, and composition of f and g is identity function on the set A, identity function on the set A, then f is injective 1 1, whereas g is surjective on 2. The eighth one, let f from a to b and g from b to a be two functions such that composition of g and f, composition of g and f is from b to b, and composition of g and f is identity function on the set B, then f is surjective and g is injective. Ninth result, if f from a to b and g from b to c be two functions, then we have different cases. Gof from a to c is an onto function, then g from b to c is also onto. The second one, gof from a to c is 1 1, then f from a to b is also 1 1. Gof from a to c is onto and g from b to c is 1 1, then f from a to b is onto. The fourth result, fourth case, gof from a to c is 1 1 and f from a to b is onto, then g from b to c is 1 1. Let us take the problems based on composition of two functions. Under that, first one, let f from the set 2 3 4 5 to the set 3 4 5 9 and another function g from the set 3 4 5 9 to the set 7 11 15 be two functions defined as f of 2 equals 3, f of 3 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 5, f of 5 is also 5, and g of 3 7, g of 4 is also 7, g of 5, g of 9 is equal to 11. Find composition of f and g they are asking. Solution, given f from this set to this set and g from this set to this set, so that gof from a to c 2 3 4 5 to the set 7 11 15 defined by gof of 2 can be written as g of f of 2. What is f of 2? 3. Now g of 3 is 7, you know. Similarly, gof of 3 can be written as g of f of 3. Find out f of 3. F of 3 is 4. So g of 4. Look at g of 4 is 7. Then gof of 4 is equal to g of f of 4. Look at f of 4. F of 4 is 5. So g of 5 is 11. Then gof of 5 can be written as g of f of 5. But f of 5 is equal to 5. So that g of 5 is 11. Okay. The second one, find GOF and FOG if f from real number to real number and g from r to r, real number to real number, are given by f of x is equal to cos x and g of x is 3x square. Show that GOF not equal to FOG. Solution. This question is appeared thrice, annual 14 and supplementary 18 in 3 mark, supplementary 16 in 2 mark actually. Okay, the given function f from r to r defined by f of x is equal to cos x. Let me name it as 1. And another function g from r to r defined by g of x is equal to 3x square. Say some 2. So now GOF of x, composition of f and g, g of f of x. Observe f of x. From equation 1, f of x is cos x, f of x can be written as cos x. Now this is of the form g of x. G of x means what? 3x square. G of cos x means 3 into cos x the whole square. Cos x whole square can be written as cos square x. 3 times cos square x. So that is GOF of x. Let me name this as 3. And FOG of x is equal to f of g of x. Look at g of x by using equation 2, 3x square. So this is just like f of x. F of x means cos x. F of y means cos y. F of this means cos of this. Andre cos of 3x square. Say some 4 anta heltini using 1. So look at 3 and 4. Look at 3 and 4. They are not equal. 3 cos square x not equal to cos 3x square. That means GOF is not equal to FOG. GOF is not equal to FOG. That means composition of two functions is not commutative, but it is associative. Correct, Yes. The third problem, worked example. Consider f from n to n and g from natural numbers to natural number and h from set of natural numbers to real numbers, defined as f of x is equal to 2x, g of y equals 3y plus 4 and h of z equals sin z, where x, y and z belongs to natural numbers. Show that composition of GOF and h is equal to composition of f and HOG. You are supposed to verify associative law. Okay, composition of function is associative ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Solution. Given f from n to n defined as f of x is equal to 2x, where x belongs to n. Let me call it as equation 1. And g from natural numbers to natural number again defined like this. G of y equals 3y plus 4 for all y belongs to n. Say some equation 2. And h from n to r defined as h of z is equal to sin z for all z belongs to natural number. Say some equation 3. Let us verify. Consider composition of GOF and h of x is equal to, this can be written as h of GOF of x. This can be written as g of f of x. But what is f of x actually? F of x is nothing but 2x using equation 1. This is of the form g of y. By using equation 2, 3y, that is 3 into 2x plus 4. 3 into 2 means 6x plus 4. H of 6x plus 4. This is of the form h of z. So h of z means sin z. H of 6x plus 4 means Using equation 3, you can write it as sine of 6x plus 4. That is composition of GOF and H. Say equation 4, in which x belongs to natural numbers. Consider the right hand side, that is composition of f and hog can be written as hog of f of x, that is h of g of f of x. But what is f of x actually? By using equation 1, so this can be written as g of 2x. This is just like g of y. By using equation 2, 3 into y plus 4, 3 into 2x plus 4 means 6x plus 4, h of 6x plus 4. This is of the form h of z. H of z means using 3 sin z, So sin of 6x plus 4. Say some equation 5 for all x belongs to natural number. From 4 and 5, so this and this are equal. That means composition of function is associative. Fourth one, exercise problem. Let f from the set 1, 3, 4 to the set 1, 2, 5 and g from the set 1, 2, 5 to the set 1, 3 be given by f is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1 and g is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. Write down GOF, composition of f and g you are supposed to find. Solution. Given f from the set 1, 3, 4 to the set 1, 2, 5 defined by f of 1 equals to f of 3 equals 5, f of 4 is equal to 1 and g from the set 1, 2, 5 to the set 1, 3 defined by g of 1 equals 3, g of 2 equals 3, g of 5 is equal to 1. So then GOF is from set A to set C. Suppose if it is f from A to B, g from B to C, then GOF is from A to C. 1, 3, 4 to the set 1, 3 defined as GOF of 1 is equal to g of f of 1. But what is f of 1 actually? F of 1 is 2. Now observe g of 2 actually. G of 2 is equal to 3. G of 2 is equal to 3. Then GOF of 3 is equal to g of f of 3. That is g of f of 3. F of 3 is 5, Now g of 5 is equal to 1. Then GOF of 4 equals g of f of 4. What is f of 4? F of 4 is 1, right? So that g of 1, but g of 1 is equal to 3. So that GOF is 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. Fifth one, an exercise problem again. Let f, g and h be 3 functions from real numbers to real number. Show that a composition of h and f plus g is equal to composition of h and f plus composition of h and g, that is distributive. Here composition of h and f into g is equal to composition of h and f into composition of h and g. Solution. Given f from R to R, g from R to R, h from R to R. Let us take the first case. F plus g, composition of h of x. So composition of h and f plus g is equal to f plus g into h of x. Now we know that f plus g of x can be written as f of x plus g of x, addition of two functions. Then this can be written as f of h of x plus g of h of x. F of h of x can be written as composition of h and f, you know, and this can be written as composition of h and g of x. So f plus g, composition of h and f plus g is equal to sum of sum of composition of h and f and composition of h and g. And the second case, composition of h and f into g is equal to f into g of h of x. This is f of h of x into g of h of x. F of h of x can be written as composition of h and f into composition of h and g. So therefore composition of h and f into g is equal to, so this is composition of h and f into composition of h and g. Sixth one, an exercise problem. Find composition of f and g and composition of g and f if number A, f of x is equal to mod x and g of x equals modulus of 5x minus 2. And the second case, f of x equals 8x cube and g of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. Solution. First case, given f of x equals mod x and g of x equals modulus of 5x minus 2. G of x equals modulus of 5x minus 2. Let us take gf of x, that is g of f of x. That is g of f of x is what? Mod x. See that g of x can be written as modulus of 5x minus 2. That is g of mod x is modulus of 5 into mod x minus 2. Nothing but modulus of 5x minus 2 you can write. And fog of x, that is composition of g and f of x is equal to f of g of x. That is f of g of x is what? Modulus of 5x minus 2. This is just like f of x. What is f of x? Mod x. F of y is mod y. F of this is modulus of this. That means modulus of 5x minus 2. Nothing but modulus of 5x minus 2 only. Second case, given f of x equals 8x cube and g of x equals x to the power of 1 by 3. Let us find gf of x, that is g of f of x. What is f of x actually? 8x cube. Look at this. This is g of x. G of x means x power 1 by 3. G of y means y power 1 by 3. G of this means this power 1 by 3. Observe 8x cube. 8x cube can be written as 2x the whole cube, because 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8x cube. So 2x the whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is of the form a power m whole power n. M into n means 3 and 1 by 3 gets cancelled. We are left with 2x. Then composition of g and f can be written as g of f of x. F of g of x. Sorry. Composition of g and f can be written as f of g of x. So g of x is what actually? X power 1 by 3. That means f of x to the power of 1 by 3. F of x to the power of 1 by 3. This is of the form f of x. F of x means what? 8x cube. F of y means 8y cube. F of this means 8 into x power 1 by 3 the cube. So 3 and 1 by 3 gets cancelled. We are left with 2x. So clearly gf and fog are not equal, obviously. That means composition of two functions is not commutative. Okay, clearly GOF is not equal to fog. That means composition of two function is not commutative, whereas it is associative. We have discussed the previous problem, Question number 7, exercise problem. If f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Find composition of f and f they are asking. So it's appeared in the year 2015 supplementary paper in 2 mark and ACBSE 2010 also. Solution. Given f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube the power 1 by 3. Consider composition of f and f they are asking. So f of x. What is f of x actually? This f as it is, instead of f of x I have written 3 minus x cube the power 1 by 3. To avoid the confusion, I just take this as some t. So 3 minus x cube the power 1 by 3 I denote it as t. So this becomes f of t. f of x means 3 minus x cube the power 1 by 3. f of t means 3 minus t cube the power 1 by 3. Correct, f of t means 3 minus t cube the power 1 by 3. 3 minus t cube the power 1 by 3. Resubstitute. But what is t actually? T is written as 3 minus x cube the power 1 by 3. Now I just substitute t over there. So that is 3 minus, in place of t I have written this, cube is there. I just write cube. See, 3 minus t is this, the power 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now simplify this. 1 by 3 and this 3. 1 by 3 and this 3. We can eliminate this. Is it not? So this whole power 1 by 3, this is x power 1 by 3, the power 3 means this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now we are left with, remove the bracket, minus 3 minus of minus plus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Don't make a mistake like this. 3 and 1 by 3. This 3 and 1 by 3 won't cancel. So 1 by 3 and this 3 gets cancelled actually. Now plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. X cube the power 1 by 3. So therefore we are left with again 3 and 1 by 3 gets cancelled. So composition of f and f is x. That means it is an identity function actually. Okay. So composition of f and f is x under 2 mark section. 8th question, miscellaneous exercise problem. Let f from R to R, real numbers to real numbers, defined by f of x is equal to 10x plus 7. Find the function g from R to R. G is defined from real numbers to real number. You are supposed to find g such that GOF is equal to fog is equal to identity function on the set of real numbers. I of R means identity function on the set of reals. Solution. Given f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to 10x plus 7. Also g from R to R defined by g of x is question mark. You are supposed to find g of x actually. By data, GOF is equal to fog is equal to identity function on the set of real numbers. Let us consider fog of x is equal to x. Only this part. So clearly composition of g and f is an identity function on the set of reals x. So this can be written as f of g of x is equal to x. What is g of x actually? 10x plus 7. In place of this, x is g of x. So that is 10 into g of x plus 7 is equal to x. Shift 7 to the other side, x minus 7. 10 into g of x equals x minus 7. Therefore, g of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by 10 for all x belongs to real number. This is how g of x is defined. Ninth one, again miscellaneous exercise problem. If f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Find composition of f and f they are asking. Solution. Given f from R to R defined as f of x equals x square minus 3x plus 2 they have given. So we are supposed to find composition of f and f, So that is f of x. What is f of x actually? X square minus 3x plus 2. In place of f of x I have written. To avoid the confusion, I just denote this as some t, f of t, where t is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. F of x means x square minus 3x plus 2. F of t means t square minus 3t plus 2. Right? F of t means t square minus 3t plus 2. Resubstitute t. T is this, So therefore, in place of t, so x square minus 3x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 into, in place of t I have written this, plus 2 as it is. A plus b plus c whole square formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, I'll expand this. X square whole square, x power 4. Minus 3x the whole square means 9x square plus c square, 2 square means 4. Then 2a into b, 2 into x square into minus 3x means 2 into minus 3 minus 6. X square into x means x cube minus 2bc, 2bc means 2 into minus 3x into 2 means minus 12x. 2c into a, 2 into 2, 4x square, 4x square, multiply with minus 3, minus 3x square, minus of minus plus 9x, 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 4. 2 minus 6 means minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. Arrange in a decreasing order. X power 4 minus 6x cube, c 9x square, 4x square minus 3x square. 4 minus 3 means 1. 1x square plus 9x square means 10x square minus 12 plus 9. 9 minus 12 means minus 3x. That is composition of f and f. So which is x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square minus 3x. 10th one. If the functions f from R to R and g from R to R are given by f of x equals mod x and g of x is equal to greatest integer function of x, where this denotes the greatest integer function. Find composition of g and f of minus 2, composition of f and g of minus 2. Annual 2016 in 2 mark section it is up here. Solution. Given f from real numbers to real number defined by f of x is equal to mod x. Say some equation 1. And g from R to R defined by f of x is equal to, g of x is equal to greatest integer function of x, say some 2. Consider fog of minus 2. This can be written as f of g of minus 2. This is just like g of x. G of x means what? Greatest integer function of x. G of minus 1 by 2 means greatest integer function of minus 1 by 2. Look at the number system. So 0, minus 1, minus 2. Greatest integer function of 0.5 means 0. It roll back, So greatest integer function of 0.9 is also 0. Similarly, the greatest integer function of minus 0.5 means minus 1. So lower limit, So greatest integer function of minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. So f of minus 1. F of x is what? Mod x. F of minus 1 means modulus of minus 1. Modulus of 1 means 1 using equations 1 and 2. And gof of minus 1 by 2. G of f of minus 1 by 2. This can be written as modulus of minus 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, So g of 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So greatest integer function of 0.5. So this is nothing but greatest integer function of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Greatest integer function of 1 by 2 is nothing but 0. It roll back, It is 0. Greatest integer function of 1 by 2 is 0. Therefore, so gof of minus 1 by 2 is 0.